Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope we're all having a lovely day today. In this video, me and Nick decided to scratch off another one of our Adventure Challenge Couples Edition date ideas. I have left details of the Adventure Challenge book down in the description below, so feel free to go and check that out. If you love this video, make sure we give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you are new. It's completely free and you can unsubscribe anytime that you want. Let's hop to it, I suppose, and let's get scratching. Make a homemade pie together. Easier said than done. One of you must mix all the ingredients by yourself blindfolded, while the other person gives the instructions by leading with their hands. The leader can only use 3 directive sentences the whole time. The person with the least amount of cooking experience has to be the blindfolded mixer. So it would probably be easier because of the height difference, don't know if you could tell that, for me to be the one blindfolded. Because otherwise if you're blindfolded, I can't see what's happening. He has the least cooking experience, but because of the height, I'm going to have to be the one blindfolded.
Oh, this is going to be great. I'm going to love this.
So we need to find a pie recipe. We need to probably get some pie things, and then we'll be back. Hello everyone, we are back with ingredients including 2 mini apples. We have this as my blindfold. Actually, before so the one bit that we're not going to do is we're going to peel and core the apples, not blindfolded, because I don't trust myself not to impale my hand with the corer, and I don't think he trusts me either. So we're going to go do that, and then I will start recording again. That's not cookie.
Dumb cookie. Cookie monster.
Cookie monster. Yes, Yoda. Look how thick that is. Use this ball stop.
What are you going on about?
So, we have cut the apples, they're over there, doing their thing. I'm gonna blindfold. So what are your 3 sentences?
We do 3 directive words.
Okay, you can do words if you want, you can make your life harder.
Mix,
Mix,
roll.
roll. So I can't put anything down then?
No.
New thing. The first 3 sentences that come out of your mouth are the sentences you have to stick with. I cannot see anything, this is scary.
How many fingers?
I don't know.
Good.
Because I cannot see.
Pick up that.
So pick up that, it's one of your sentences now.
Yep, this one. Pick up that.
Got it? Look, I can open it, I don't need you to help to open things. Wait, do the dry things first.
Gotta put the butter into the... Butter is dry, it counts as a dry thing.
No, it's not!
I'm not weighing out the butter, I don't need to.
Alright, well then why is the scale in front of me?
Because I need it there and on. Grab that.
Grab it.
Open up.
Open up, that's another
That's
one.
another one of my sentences, I'll take it.
Okay.
Well,
Oh,
otherwise
dear.
we sit there with closed things.
Oh dear, I can't open that. I can't open. Thank you. You're gonna have to tell me where to start. Thank you. Yeah.
You're fine, you're fine.
Oh,
Oh
dear.
no, you're not fine.
How much do we need?
350.
Just do this.
No! You can't just do that. Tip towards you. Tap sides. That's just got everywhere.
What does it say exactly?
Beat the butter and sugar into a large bowl. Add flour.
Until when? Wait, no, butter and sugar in a bowl and then add the flour.
Yeah, but it's all in one, it's all going together, it's fine.
Nick!
It's fine. Right. That's
Where's
the
the
side of
edge?
the, right there.
There. I'm pro.
Now, beat together.
This all comes together, but it doesn't feel like pastry.
Let me have a
No. It's not. You're not allowed to touch things. I am the hands, you are the eyes. The worst thing is I can't feel anything because I've got this in my hand. And it's about there. Is there a room in the fridge?
Yeah.
Dough has chilled.
Now, sponge pastry. Lovely. Open it up. Carefully, hold the knife.
What are we doing with the knife?
We're cutting off so we keep 1/3 to one side to put at the top for the pie.
You say roll it into an oval. I cannot see.
I'll let you know when you start going off of an oval shape.
We haven't done this right.
Do you think we haven't done this wrong?
Because I can't pick it back up.
This is going horribly wrong.
What makes you say that? The fact that you ignored the instruction.
No, I know better than instructions. Half a TSP.
That's teaspoon.
Yeah, and then 3 TBSP.
This is a tablespoon.
Okay, hold on. I need a tablespoon for flour.
Well, where's the tablespoon?
In a second. Right, cinnamon is open. Slowly over the teaspoon. We need half a teaspoon. Right. I'm going to put the apples in.
Wait, we need sugar.
You've put sugar.
There's not sugar in there.
You put the cinnamon. It wanted flour and cinnamon.
And sugar. There's sugar in that one, Nick. If you scroll up to the top, it says sugar.
Yeah, it does say. Well, you're over.
Oh.
Right. Give a little
Is that
shake
better?
together.
That's the sugar gone, mate.
Give a little shake together.
We realised that we didn't do an outro for when we made the apple pie. So, did you enjoy making the apple pie?
I did, considering it came out edible, I'm counting that as a win.
I think the only thing that we've learned from that is one,
I
you're
can't
bad.
read instructions.
One, you're bad at reading instructions, and two, you can just do whatever you want with the recipe and hope for the best, and it should turn out all right.
Well, I'm saying as long as you get all the ingredients in that are meant to be in, I think we've shown that it works. Doesn't matter.
It won't work with
realistically,
everything, but
I'm
we
putting
were
out that
lucky.
it's going to work with 95% of
yeah,
things.
we were lucky.
As long as you get the ingredients into the mixture before you then have to like roll it and all that, you're fine.
So yeah, I really enjoyed that one. So yeah, I suppose we'll see you guys on our next adventure, which is this adventure.
This one.
Because we forgot to do it. So just wait for the next video, guys. Okay. Bye.